Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have a vertical short ready. Now start the upload so you can set visibility properly. Once in YouTube Studio, click Create and choose Upload Videos, then drag your short file in. Make sure you add a clear title and short description. These help discovery. Select the vertical preview and confirm duration under 60 seconds. While the file uploads, pick the correct audience setting, not made for kids versus made for kids, so YouTube applies the right distribution rules. Once the video processed, fine-tune the details so the short can go public and perform well. Add tags and a playlist to group content, and turn on subtitles if available to boost watch time. In advanced settings, confirm age restrictions, monetization eligibility, and region blocks. These can block public publishing if misconfigured. When you reach visibility options, choose public to make it live immediately, or schedule to publish at a later time. Make sure Save or Done is clicked to apply choices. Hit Publish and your short should appear on YouTube and in the Shorts shelf. You can also share the link right away. Once live, check the mobile Shorts feed and the video's analytics to confirm views and discoverability. If your short fails to become public, don't panic. Check for copyright claims, community guideline strikes, age restrictions, or channel visibility settings. These are the usual causes. To fix visibility later, open content, select the short, change visibility to public, and save changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.